Ahoy Travelers, it's Amy here, and I just wanted to come in and let you know that I will not be posting a weekly Cruise News Roundup this weekend. I just have got some stuff going on and I'm not going to have the time to devote to it. So I wanted to come on, let you know that ahead of time. And I may or may not end up with the time to work on a Wednesday video as well. From now on though, I did post this in the community tab, but we will be doing Wednesday videos instead of Tuesday videos. It just gives me a little bit more time to have to devote to getting those videos up and running. Just time I just really have been pushing to try to get those out on Tuesdays. You know, I've talked about this before. I work nights, so everything kind of skews weird. And every weekend, I revert myself back to being awake during the days. And then I have to go and twist myself all up in knots again to go back to working nights during the week. So it does cause some issues. And giving me that extra day is probably going to really help. So I hope that it'll help give me time for quality content. So Wednesdays we'll be looking at tip videos about the cruises I've been on, excursions I've been on, just things like that. And then Saturdays we'll be doing the weekly Cruise News Roundup where I talk about some of the biggest stories of the week and my opinions about them. Always my opinions about them. And I hope you guys have a great week. We'll see you back soon.